we have come across the requirement in the industry. The technical softwares you all people know, SP3D, then AUTOCAD, and there are some customized softwares many of the companies use for construction monitoring, for piping, actual erections. But apart from that, I would advise you to learn some basic analytical tools. Like Excel we use everywhere, but there are many
Right.
features in the Excel which we don't use. Like what happens is in the industry, if you talk about piping, when you order piping for a particular project, you don't order everything in at one place. You orders into stage wise. We call it as a MTO. We release the MTO as per the design progresses. So many of the time what happens is there are number of MTOs, say 1 to 9 MTOs. But at the time of reconciliation, if you are not able to actual analyze the data properly, then it will have a big impact in terms of cost. Because in industry, there is no value for the best design. The companies are looking for the optimum design because cost comes into the picture. This is the one part which I would like to share because now you have a time to learn the There are three basic software which nowadays everybody is using is the basic Excel. The another is the Power Excel. That is the advanced version of Excel, which actually it's a programming kind of thing. A repeated job it can do at one time and you can just refresh the content and it gets everything reflects.